Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix a cPanel 404 error, so let's get right into it. Now this happens usually when your firewall is messing up, and either your computer firewall or your network level firewall is not allowing access to non-standard ports, which cPanel uses. And this is usually in either office environments, campus environments, environments which have public access to PCs, simply because that can cause problems for them. However, you can very easily unblock them if you know and if you have access to your firewall. And yeah, pretty much just open up these ports, try forwarding them as well with the ISP that you're currently using. But yeah, what you need to do is go to cPanel. Well, for the port, you need to open up the cPanel ports, which are 2082 and 83, the webmail ports, which are 2095 and 96, WHM, Web Hosting Manager, which is VPS dedicated, 2086 to 87, or Web Disk, which is Edge VPS dedicated, 2077 and 2078, and that should be it. If you don't have the ability to unblock these ports, you might be able to run it via proxy, which runs over port 80, and you can access these subdomains such as cPanel.yoursite.com, webmail.yoursite.com, whm.yoursite.com, and webdisk.example.com or your site. And I'm not sure why there's a question mark here. It might be needed, might not very sure, but test it out with and without, and it might work. And that is pretty much it. That's all of the options you pretty much have. Pretty much the only options related to troubleshooting a 404 error. If not that, then you might be using a wrong URL, so just double check your URLs to make sure that they are correct. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.